Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, just picture this. You're in the middle of a mountain trail with your colleagues, and midway through that trail, um, you realize that the map you've got is not congruent with the actual terrain. To make matters worse, the weather has taken a sudden, unexpected turn. So what do? Left with two choices. Do you soldier on? Do you try, take your team, take them to this, try to get to the summit, right? Tick the box, close out the project, and pat everyone on the back as well done? Or do you make the bold decision to pause, reflect, and redirect? Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you. Um, thank you, Viren, for that inspirational talk about AI. Um, just quickly, at OMI, we are faced with a very similar journey. We were trying to replace an aging 24-year-old platform that was built by data engineers over a 24-year period. And aging legacy problems like every other organization. And we decided to pivot and build out our future state architecture. And we partnered with Sapiens Intelligence to build out that roadmap. And today, I just want to take you guys on a journey and how we took the bold decision to pivot, redirect, and complete the program. So very quickly, at this point, we loved the data model. The data model was superb. The granularity and span of the data model would answer any short-term insurance question, could plug into AI and various models. And at some point, when we implemented on AWS, the solution was not performant. Okay. So we decided to make the bold move. We could have soldiered on, completed the program. We said, look, let's pause. And that's one of the best decisions I think we've made. When I reflect, we stacked up different types of technology from Redshift to AWS Glue to a number of other tech. And in the end, Databricks won. And we decided to change direction mid-flight, refactor into Databricks, and the rest is history. But I think the basic things here is when you have a fork in the trail, right? You have to stop and reflect. I think from the bold pivot ensured that we could build future sustainability. Just quickly, so whilst we were busy with that, the data platform consisted of many layers, from an ODS layer to a sort of data warehouse level, and also to a number of facts. The own implementation partners. We have Databricks, also multiple global partners. And to get something done really takes a long time, right? And we did a mammoth task. We're the first in the world, I think, to implement Databricks on an AWS multi-account landing zone. And I think the first thing we did is call in the big guys. Spoke to the chief exec at Databricks, Amazon. We spoke to some senior stakeholders or executives there, and we got everyone together towards a common goal. And in the end, we actually got it implemented much faster than we thought. I think the most important thing here is, just as the mountain trail requires moments of pause, right, sharp pivots, and the steady climb to the summit, our journey through this transformation invited us to reflect, adapt, and ultimately thrive. So each delay became an opportunity to recalibrate and aim higher. And I suppose the silver lining was, as we navigated this path, we had our junior staff that, by looking at the semantic layer and re-engineering that to get the answer from the output, right, they actually upskilled. So they actually built the semantic layer. In that process, we had junior grads that have been upskilled, that have been promoted to intermediate and sort of senior analysts and engineers. And we also got our other team, our data science team, now to pivot to the real value-adding activities. So currently, we're actually leveraging value through underwriting margin based on our AI and our Gen AI models. So yeah, I think that was the success story. And I think the main thing is be bold. And that's the message I want to land. Be bold. Don't do a tick box exercise, and you'll set yourself up for a sustainable solution.